Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 25th of August, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed up 0.4% today to finish at 7,532 points. Technology and materials companies led the way, while telcos were the worst performers. The bounce back in iron ore prices certainly helped the big miners. Rio Tinto and Fortescue Metals both rose 2.6% today, while BHP was up 1.3%. National Australia Bank was the best of the major financials, up more than 1%, while Westpac was 0.9% higher. The big retailers were among the worst performers. Wesfarmers lost 2.2%, while Woolworths and Coles both fell by more than 1%. Telstra went ex-dividend today and finished down 2.6%. Ex-dividend means anyone buying this share today, tomorrow or beyond won't get the big dividend announced in Telstra's results 2 weeks ago. There was plenty of corporate news around. Both Afterpay and Zipco reported earnings results, while customer and merchant numbers are up. Both reported losses, slightly higher than expected. Afterpay's share price closed down 1.2%, but Zipco's was off more than 6%. Some of the media groups reported today. Not such great news for those guys. Nine Entertainment outlined higher costs in its broadcast division, including its streaming service Stan, as well as a poor result from its radio business. Its share price tumbled nearly 10%. Seven Group, which owns stakes in Coates Hire, Seven Media, Westrac and Boral, said core revenue and profit rose, but analysts didn't like the outlook statement from the group, and its share price fell around 7.5%. Maybe part of the reason for that big drop was the decision by Kerry Stokes, longtime chairman, to step down. More about that tomorrow morning. WiseTech, the logistics business, announced a better-than-expected result, and its share price jumped 50%. That's 50. The result was good, but not that good, and the exchange put a halt on trading in the stock. The company said it knew of no reason for the surge, and it started trading again to eventually finish up more than 28%. Crazy. Australia's second largest gold digger, Northern Star, said it was on track to produce 2 million ounces annually by 2027. The group, which merged with Saracen 6 months ago, reported a quadrupling of net profit to more than $1 billion. Cash earnings, which are a better representation of performance, were up 10%. In economic news, the value of total construction work done during the June quarter rose 0.8%, driven by engineering construction, according to the Bureau of Statistics. Construction work rose in all states except Western Australia. The Aussie dollar is trading around 72.4 US cents, and before I go, just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 finished up 0.2%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 0.1%, and the Nasdaq ended 0.5% higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 25th of August, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.